At Tregaskiss Welding Products, we do one thing and we do it very well. We build tough guns for the world's welding professionals. Tregaskiss commits to design, build, and deliver premium products and extraordinary customer support to quality-driven welding professionals.
My name is Jeff Arcan, and I've been at Tregaskiss since 1995. The welder's looking for durability, consistency, reliability, and just overall toughness, and that's why we call our guns a tough gun. It's a hard profession, and you're under a helmet welding all day, laying beads for 8 hours. You're relying on that product because that's all you're holding in your hand all day.
My name is Doug Holinski. I've been with Tregaskiss for 26 years. When I first started with Tregaskiss, the founder of the company had one gun, and it was this actual torch here. This is part of the Auto 350, and my first job was machining of this product. And the first thing that really stuck out in my mind then and still does to this day is that the #1 goal was to satisfy the customer, and having a good quality product that, you buy it, it's going to work.
My name is Joe Shaheen. We do a lot of CNC machining in-house because we do have a lot of specialty requirements from our customers. That allows us to be very agile. That allows us to service our customers in a more effective time frame. Even our assembly processes are very lean and very agile. We can be assembling something in the morning and then change tooling very quickly and be assembling a whole different product line in the same work area. We're headed to a Six Sigma capable level. That's world class. That's our vision. That's where we're headed.
My name is John Waffle. I've been with Tregaskiss since 1997. A Tregaskiss customer knows that they're getting the best product that they can get, and that Tregaskiss as a whole is not going to just be satisfied with mediocre. Mediocre is not acceptable at Tregaskiss.
My name is Bob Campbell, and I've been with Tregaskiss for 10 years. One of the things that we've committed to doing is continually offering innovative new solutions to customers' challenges that they face. And in order to do that, we need to create an environment within the company where employees have a freedom to innovate, that they're prepared to take a chance to come up with a better way.
My name is Robert Lajoie, and I've been with Tregaskiss for 20 years now. As leaders in the field, we have to keep on coming up with new products, new ideas, and new technologies just to stay where we are. With having the engineers on staff, we have the manpower on hand at any time to tackle any of the projects that are asked of us.
The welding market is very mature and the process is very mature as well. As technology moves forward, both in manufacturing capabilities as well as robotic capabilities in the field, there are many opportunities to create more products that are a little more innovative, that they fit the particular process much better than they have in the past.
My name is Jeff Wells. I've been with Tregaskiss since 1995. People really want to keep downtime to a minimum. So by putting features into the product that minimize downtime, if you wear out, say, a contact tip or a gooseneck, you can go in and change them quickly. After you've changed the product, the tool center point is right where it was from the one you just took off. So they don't have to reprogram the robots. They basically just plug in the new part and away they go.
I don't think that what we're doing is absolutely unique. It's just effective.
My name is Ken Pratt. I've been with Tregaskiss for 20 years. Our direct end users with our distribution partners, we do work with closely. A very committed group to us because we're there on a regular basis. If people know that you're there to help them out, they're going to reward you with the business.
My name is Dan Imus. I've been with Tregaskiss for 9 years. Technical service can vary. I can go in and do training where I would go in and actually help them with our product on their robot. So it actually help them assemble it, installations. Could be training in terms of how to set their welding torches up in a process. And then the other side of it is troubleshooting. They might have some welding related issues and they come to me and say, hey, look, we need some help. They've got technology and they've got the people to do it, but they don't always have the time. And so by having us come in and doing that kind of support relieves them of a lot of stress, a lot of strain, and improves their productivity. And I think that ultimately that makes us that much better than our competitors.
My name is Darren Gray. I've been with Tregaskiss for 12 years. Distributors that want to support our product, they need us getting our brand name out there and getting the end user of the product, their customer, asking for Tregaskiss, asking for Tough Gun and TGX. A great deal of the resources we spend in marketing is geared towards supporting our distributors, giving them the tools they need to sell our product.
My name is Deborah Larkin, and I've been with Tregaskiss for 20 years. A lot of times customer service people need to expedite something, and we want to make sure that everything that we've committed to during the day is done. So sometimes we actually run out to the plant floor and push it along a little bit if we know we need something for a customer. They expect on-time delivery. They expect their orders to be shipped complete when they need it in their plant. Every time we pick up that phone, we go above and beyond what they expect.
The proof is in the pudding. You got to be right there, and you've got to be able to stand behind your product and stand behind your commitments.
My name is Eric Feikowski. I've been with Tregaskiss since 1999. The way that we treat our employees is the way that they treat our customers. We give each other the shirt off our back if we needed it. We're looking for a certain set of skills, and we do recruit the right people for every position within the company.
My name is Clyde Tregaskus. My father started this company back in 1967. It's a difficult thing to define the spirit of a company and the spirit of the people here. These people are friends, they're like family. We all understand our goals, and I think everybody feels that we're really accomplishing something. It's more the spirit of the place than it is the edifice or the building or anything else. When our customers come here, they have confidence that we're a company that's going to be here for some time, and that we take pride in what we do. We take pride in our environment, we take pride in our products. And I think when they come here, they see us as professionals. The number one priority of Tregaskiss is to earn customers' recognition for excellence in everything that we do.
We build tough guns for the world's welding professionals.
Tregaskiss Welding Products. We build tough guns for the world's welding professionals.